The Victorians loved nature and the symbolism of plants and flowers.
Giselle is an outdoor ballet. The first act takes place in the village yard outside of Giselle's home, and the second act takes place in the forest clearing where she's buried. Flowers figure prominently throughout the ballet. Early on, Giselle tests the strength of Albrecht's devotion by playing He Loves Me Not, which was a game of medieval French origin which translates pluck the daisy. Daisies represented innocence, youth, vitality. All of these are attributes of Giselle. The name Myrta, who is Queen of the Willies, comes from the Latin myrtus, or myrtle. Myrtle was a flowering plant symbolizing love, but it was also known as the flower of death. Myrtle was used in wedding bouquets, and the crowns of the Willies are adorned with its flowers. Myrta carries a wand of rosemary, which symbolizes remembrance and fidelity. The performance tradition of Giselle has also evolved to include lilies, which symbolize purity as well as the restored innocence of the soul upon death. According to tradition, Albrecht brings lilies to Giselle's grave, and in turn she tosses them to him as she leaps through the forest, freed from the earth.